Welcome to 40 South Ave, a meticulously updated 3-bedroom cape. Come check it out. The house has been meticulously updated throughout with quartz countertops, ceramic tile backsplash, wood beams, and stone wall accents. This location can't get any better in a sought-out private neighborhood in Derry. The backyard is spacious and fenced in, ready for summer gatherings.